Keep that bead steady. Clear the area, we're cycling the gate.
Depth set to 6 inches. Confirmed, looks good.
The flow meter shows a slight drop here.
Yes, adjusting the valve now to ensure uniform delivery to the root zones.
Weed prevention and early control. Growing cranberry bog.
Looks like we have some cranberry fruitworm here. Noted. Let's check the pheromone lure nearby.
We need to increase the humidity in the far zone. Adjust the misting schedule.
Done. The vines look healthy. We need to ensure this mat is dense enough.
Agreed. The rooting won't take otherwise.
Looks like the temperature held steady at 32.
Good, the ice layer is forming nicely on the blossoms.
The readout here shows optimal delivery.
Confirmed. I'm increasing the flow regulator by 5%.
Airflow looks optimized on the east side.
Adjusting the west fans now. Keep monitoring the humidity levels.
Pulling the probe now.
Moisture content looks ideal, right across the zone.
Look at this cluster right here. See the discoloration?
Yes, looks like potential fungal growth. I'll place a trap nearby and the robot can get a closer look.
Open the lower gate slowly now.
It's moving, controlling the flow.
Check the vines on the far side.
The paddle assembly looks good. Tolerances are correct.
And the hydraulic pressure is stable for the dislodging mechanism.
Look at the historical comparison here. The pressure dropped faster than forecast.
Yes, but the drone shows the temperature gradient is stable enough for the flood.
Pumps stable and fully operational.
Confirmed. Initiating flood sequence now.
The moisture levels look good here. Yes, the drip system is working perfectly. The blush is coming along nicely too.
These are perfect.
Agreed, the color saturation is exactly where we want it.
All right, everyone, absolute precision with the machinery today. Water levels are high. Keep your comms open and report any issues immediately. Safety is paramount.
Understood.
The density looks consistent here.
Yes, the thermal imaging confirms optimal distribution.
Keep the line straight over there.
The pumps are pushing hard. Watch the flow.
We're almost at the ramp.
Adjust the flow towards the back.
It's looking good now. Almost full on this side.
Flow rate on manifold 3 is steady.
Checks out with the logs, we're running clean.
Check the consistency report for the last batch.
99% pass rate, still holding steady.
Temperature is holding steady at 6 to 5 degrees.
Humidity levels look good, well within the target range.
Notate the airflow adjustment we made earlier.
Moisture content looks good.
Yes, the texture is consistent. We are cleared for the next phase.
The transcription is as follows.
The coating looks consistent now.
Yes, the thickness is exactly right.
Visual inspection complete. Confirmed. Ready for the cranberries.